Hello guys, welcome to channel Phone Man. In today's video, we are going to unbox the CMF Phone 1, and this is the black color of the CMF Phone 1, and we are getting a peel off over here. So let's start off from the peel off. Okay, so it's done, and you can see. Okay, so you can see here is the black color of the CMF Phone 1, and let me start from the peel off. Another one. Okay, it's done. Really nice. And yes, so this is the color black. So this is feels like a plastic over here, and you can see it really blends, and you can see the screws as well. It's in almost that black color, and the module is in a bit of grayish black color, and you can see here is also grayish black, and you can see the volume brokers as well. So this is the black color. Apart from the black color, we have two more colors. This is the light green color, and this is the blue color, and there's a big difference between this color and other two. The reason is these two comes with plastic bag, whereas this color as well as the orange color comes with this artificial leather. You can see the in-hand feel is really different from these two of them, and here we can see a smooth matte type of plastic on this guy. You can see same with this light green also, we are seeing a smooth matte finish plastic. And just in this color as well as orange color, we are seeing the artificial leather, which looks really good in the in-hand feel, and I just love this color as well as this feel of the phone. And one more thing is that if you notice, you can see the difference between the screws color. Actually, this two almost seem similar. You can see almost a silver type of camera module, silver plated screws as well, but in here you can see the difference. This is almost a dark grayish type of camera module and black color plated screws over here. So that's a minor difference between these two. One more thing is there. So if you look the sides, you can see the light green, you can see this beading, black beading very well, but in black you couldn't see any black. It's almost blended, and in blue too it's almost darker. That's why it's blue too, it is not well noticeable, but in light green you can well notice this frame over here. Power button also, you can see this is really a silverish versus a darkish gray silverish, and you can see these two of them have a silverish. The blue as well as the light green have silverish, versus this guy have a dark color, versus on the left side, so you can see this is also a dark grayish color versus pure silver on this blue as well as the green color. So it's a matter of preference. So if you ask me which one is my preference, because of the artificial leather and the in-hand feel of this thing, I would prefer the blue color or the orange color. This distinction between these black as well as light green colors, or this complete black, if you love these two of them, you can obviously go this plastic bag as well. So that's upon your preference.